If you or one of the users you happen to be supporting are having an issue where an application or an error message pops up upon login or computer boot, there are a few places you can check on the local machine. So, the first one is Task Manager. If you go to Startup, this will show a list of applications which are eligible to run at launch, and if you look at status, it'll show whether they are enabled or disabled. Chances are the application or error message you are receiving is in this list. If not, what you can do Windows key and then R to bring up the run menu. And if you open up shell:startup, as you can see here, this will bring you to a folder of applications. Anything in this folder here will automatically launch when the user logs in. So as you can see, I've got Twitch and DS4. If I wanted to change the fact that these launch, all I would do is remove these shortcuts from this folder. And the third and final place is the Task Scheduler. You can access this just by typing or hitting start and typing in Task Scheduler. So if you click on Task Scheduler library, you can it'll show you every scheduled task, and what you're looking for is the trigger. If the trigger is at the logon of any user, that could also be the culprit. Sometimes when a user logs on, one of these applications will try to launch itself, launch an update, or launch something that runs a check, but chances are if you're having an issue where something is happening when you log on or start up and you don't want it to, these three places will be your starting point to look. So hopefully this helps. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in a career in IT or system administration, an entry-level technician, or even someone further along in your technology career, Rising Techs has great content to binge watch. Check out the Tech 101 series for an entertaining glance at core IT terms and concepts. Check out the Top Priority series for an in-depth look at the most important character traits of CIS professionals and the cornerstones of properly maintained networks. And during the week, check out the Tales from Tech Support series, which covers the funniest IT-related stories from around the web. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, leave me a comment and a rating, and have a great day. This is Rising Techs logging off.